We are having issues with our keypad. As you can see, the numbers were wearing off. Actually, it was just a plastic coating there, and it started breaking. I guess maybe from the weather and sun, and so all that started coming off. So yesterday when we were at the RV show, RVLock is there, and we told them what our issue was. We were able to purchase a new rubber pad, a new rubber keypad. So if you're having the issue of yours coming off, just notify RVLock and you can purchase yours. They were $10 each. We have the RVLocks on our DRV, and our keypad, the numbers were coming off, and so we stopped by to see what we could do, and that was, you said, an upgrade.
Yeah.
So now you've upgraded it to where they're not peeling off anymore. So they have these keypads that you can purchase. They're like rubber, right?
Yeah. Yep. So it just replaces it nice and easy.
So we're going to replace our keypad and it'll look brand new.
It will look brand new.
Yeah. Thank you.
Of course.
Ricky's trying to figure out exactly how that part comes off. He's got the back off, the inside of it off. You're going to have to take that off too. This is the new rubberized keypad, and it has some plastic cushions on the back.
I'm not to mess up that gasket. Can I get that out?
Push from the other side.
I can't. If it could come from the other side, I wouldn't have to. I gotta get all that out of there. I guess.
You need another squirt. You want me to plug it?
I'll hold the bottom of it.
The bottom of the door or the... RVLock was the first keyless solution for RVs to integrate a keypad and key fob into one handle. We didn't know until stopping by their booth at the Quartzsite RV Tent Show that we could purchase replacement keypads. It was a quick fix, and now our locks look brand new. What are you doing now?
I'm putting the rest of the screws in it.
Oh, I thought you had them all in it.
That's why we don't video.
Oh, well, I just wanted to show y'all that if you have RVLocks and your keypad is wearing off, it's only a sticker on there. So you need to get a hold of RVLock, or if you see them at a rally or a show, you can purchase the little rubber keypad, but you have to take the lock off.
Warren
So
said
you
he's
have to-
done his in, they fixed it.
Now, our friend Warren said that he shipped his door locks back to them and
You gotta have a lock. I mean,
they fixed them, but we didn't have old locks. We did replace our locks on the Raptor and we kept the old door locks. So had this issue been with the Raptor, we would have had the old door locks. We could have put it on there until we got the new ones back in the mail. But these came on the DRV, so we didn't have anything to put in there while we shipped them off. But anyway, you can do one or the other. And if you want to change it out yourself, just get a hold of RVLock and you can buy those rubber keypads. They're $10 each. And I don't know if they have a shipping charge, but like I said, we saw them at the show, so we didn't have to pay a shipping charge. But anyway, it's starting to rain out here, so we got her done. We hope you all like this video, and if you have any questions, comment below, and we'll be happy to answer. Thanks for joining as Ricky and I are soaring together and living life in different places. See you next time.